Welcome back to Water Rocks Simple Science. My name is Lindsay, and today we are going to be putting our creative energy to good use. We are going to be writing poems about nature. Poems are a type of writing that make us feel or think a certain way. Poems are known for their many styles, rhythms, and sounds. Actually, that reminds me of our fun fact. Did you know that poetry is one of the oldest forms of communication? It dates back to prehistoric times where humans wrote hunting poems, and they're found in Egypt and other parts of Africa. Really cool, right? So today we're going to be writing our poems all about nature. And I'm talking anything in nature is fair game. So oceans or forests or even that ant you saw on the sidewalk that one time. Anything that is made by nature. There's actually a word for that. Things that are made by nature are called natural resources. Let's think of a few other examples of things in nature you could write your poem about. Maybe flowers, or insects, or water, or air, or soil, animals, and even humans. So there's all kinds of different topics you could write your poem about. I think I'll write about my favorite thing in nature, which is trees. So let's get started. So to complete today's activity, here's what you'll need. Construction paper, scissors, a pencil, glue, and any additional art supplies you may have. Okay, so since I'm going to write about trees, I'm going to cut out the shape of a tree out of some green paper. Next, I'm going to grab a different colored piece of paper. Either white plain paper or notebook paper works too. And I'm going to start writing my poem. Here we go! Now, I'm going to cut around the edges of my poem and glue it to my tree that I cut out earlier. You can even decorate your poem with other art supplies too. Maybe I'll add some flowers to my tree because flowers are another favorite of mine. Beautiful! I love trees so very much. Their leaves and branches I like to touch. They tower over me as they grow. Some trees stay green even when it snows. Oh yes, I think that trees are the best. They provide a place for animals to rest. I think a world without trees would be very sad. So for trees, I am so very glad. Do you like how I used rhyme to represent how much I love trees? I think it turned out perfectly. Now I could tape this to a window or even my fridge so I can appreciate trees every day, just like we should appreciate nature every day. I hope your poem turned out just the way you wanted it to, and maybe you'll be inspired to write more than one. Friends, that's it for Water Rocks Simple Science today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you had fun and learned something new. If you're looking for more fun activities or videos, be sure to check out our website, waterrocks.org. Until next time, friends!